I've already done wiping dust tape. You know, in my PS4, they're full of dust. It is a right thing to clean the PS4. So I clean it. Take a look, guys. It's already clean. It's already clean. You know why I clean? Why I just clean the PS4? Even there's lots of dust. Even the console, even the I put those the PS4 game there in separate, and then I clean it up. Now it's really clean and it's not really dirty at all. It's very clean, very tidy. Because I know I'm not talking about Paulo Cruzada, I'm not talking about Kuya Dan Mardayaw. No, I always to clean my PS4. Oh, I say to Bill Galang, Bill, if I were you, you need to clean your PS4. Linisan mo na ang PS4 mo. Like like I said before, it's really... Wait, I cleaned the PS4.
Nakuwag na dyan.
No, I clean.
Tanggalin mo yung ilagay mo sa baba yung mga
What's it?
yung mga, ilagay mo sa baba yung mga bala.
We don't have box.
Dito lang, isanat-san mo dyan sa gilid. Ano po, sa tenga, mamaya mawala yung
Okay. Okay. Because I know I always clean my PS4. If I were you, Bill Galang, you just clean your PS4 games. Like, not only games I'm talking about, you clean your PS4 console. That means I said before, linisin mo na yung PS4 console. Daming dumi. That's a word. You know, for me, I just clean those PS4 games. Not only PS4, because I always clean my... This one. Oh, look, oh. At least there's no dirty because I cleaned it all, like this. Like this, I cleaned the TV. And that's why, anyway, when you play PS4, you need the right thing to clean. You know, look at Rafael Tiburcio, that nephew of Teacher May, who has also a PS4. He has a PS4. Teacher May says to me, "Oh, you need to clean your PS4. It's so dirty." Rafael. And I said, "Oh, Rafael Tiburcio, that was a nephew of Teacher May, had respond, I will clean the PS4. Oh, you know that." And I said, "Oh, I clean the PS4." Because, you know, it's right thing to clean the PS4 because it has lots of dust. It has lots of dirty clothes. You know, you need to clean it up. So you need to clean it up. You know, I advise to Sir Calvin Cuevas, the husband of Teacher Jessa. You need to clean your PS5 too because it has exhaust fan. I know you're the owner of the secret game base in the cafe in Marikina. You need to clean it up because they have lots of dust. For me, I learned how to clean this PS4. Yeah, I clean it up because, you know, I never want to be lazy like this. If I ignore, if there's a lot of dust, it will be up in the PS4. This will not will be happen at the time, so you need to clean it up. Alright, you need to clean it up. That's the reason I clean it up. Oh, when I say, oh, I will clean it up, oh, I will clean it up. It's nothing matter to clean it up also. That's why I said before, do not buy a PS4 games in Japan. Because Alexin want to buy PS4 games, and I said, that's really enough. You know, Sir Paulo Cuba and JD Biniegas said to me, both of them, JD Biniegas said to me, even Lawrence Villawan said to me also, that's really enough to buy PS4 games in Japan. JD Biniegas said to me, you just stop buying PS4 games in Japan. He said to me, just stop it, or just stop buying PS4 games. And Lawrence Villawan said, wag ka na bili ng PS4 games, tama na, tigilan mo na yan. That's why, so you need to stop. Because you know, I don't want to buy PS4 games. Look at this, it's too much, it's too many. I said, it's really plenty of lots of PS4 games. That's enough. I always content to play Need for Speed Heat. That's all.